Hey everyone, ever found yourself or your kids spending way too much time on distracting websites? Whether you are a parent trying to keep your kids focused, a student aiming to boost productivity, or a professional needing to stay on tasks, blocking certain websites can be a game changer. Stick around and I'll show you 2 easy ways to block websites on Google Chrome, whether you are on Windows or Mac. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a super useful topic, how to block websites on Google Chrome. This is perfect for parents wanting to control their kids' internet usage, students who need to stay focused on their studies, and working professionals looking to minimize distractions. The best part, the process is pretty much the same for both Windows and Mac users. Let's get started. Method 1. Using BlockSite extension. First up, we are going to use a Chrome extension called BlockSite. This is one of the most trusted add-ons in this category with over 28,000 reviews. It's super easy to use and very effective. Click the link in the description below to go to the BlockSite Chrome extension page. Make sure you're using the Chrome browser. Once you are there, tap on Add to Chrome and the BlockSite add-on will be instantly added to your browser. You might see a pop-up for premium plans. Just skip it. The free plan allows you to block up to 3 websites. If you want to block unlimited websites in all the browsers without any extension, check this video here. Next, tap on the extension icon in the top right corner of your browser. Click the pin icon next to the BlockSite so you can easily access it anytime. Now, open the website you want to block. Let's use facebook.com as an example. Open the BlockSite extension and select Block this site. Now open facebook.com and you will see a message saying this website is now in the block list. To make it less obvious that you are using an extension, go back to the BlockSite settings, click on redirect, enter google.com and save it. Now, whenever someone tries to access Facebook, they will be redirected to Google. Finally, unpin the extension to keep it hidden from other users. Method 2. Tweaking Chrome site settings. Now, let's look at another method that doesn't require any extensions. This one involves tweaking Chrome's site settings. It may not be perfect, but it works well enough to break some display elements on the page. Open the website you want to avoid. Let's use Instagram for this example. Click on the site information icon next to the URL and select Site Settings. Under Permissions, block JavaScript and images. Reload the Instagram page and you will see that it looks pretty broken and unusable. So, which method do you think works better? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Also, consider joining our YouTube membership for exclusive perks and content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.